we did was took a $50,000 project and $50,000 worth of quality, if you will, and put it into a really simple guided interview. We call it the BrandBot Element section of our software. And all you have to do is click on this, and then you'll see a little bit of context here. I'm going to see some different options than you do because it knows that I'm using Ella. Like I can go in and add a document because I have a little bit more precise control than what you do. But essentially, you'll have an option to create what we call elements with no apologies for the dad joke that's embedded in there. These are things like what is your positioning, or what are the services that you're offering, or who do you consider yourself competing with, or maybe put a different way, who do your customers consider your competition? What are the alternatives that they're considering? So there's a group of these elements that relate to you. There's a group of elements that relate to customers, and you actually can create an unlimited number of these. And then Ella can be really precise in each of them. And so each customer gets what we call the six pack. So these are six different documents that really describe in high resolution who the customer is and what the job is that you're doing for them. And then the third piece is how you show up in a unique and relevant way. This is your brand character. This is really important for that distinction dimension. So you don't just sound like everybody else. And some of that is what you do and how you show up in meetings. And some of that is language that you use, or certain phraseology that you might use in messaging, for example. And so to use any one of these things, you just press this play button, and Ella takes you into a guided experience. And off to the left, you see the progress bar, kind of a tracking from, hey, I'm going to build your context, and then I'm going to maybe do some research if you want, and I'm going to take you through all this. And once you're done with everything related to this, Ella puts all of those elements in their pieces, or in their place, excuse me, puts all these pieces together. And then every time you go to ask a question or create a post or do a plan, Ella actually has all of this context in her mind and uses it in the pieces that are relevant to build your post. So investing in this one time gives you high leverage in anything else you might do in terms of marketing yourself. This is really your marketing plan. It just hasn't been activated yet. It's this is who I'm going to talk to and about what and why I'm different.